Okay, so in this video, let's cover one or two myths and fears of using AAC, augmentative and alternative communication. And that would be that your child won't talk if they have the option to use pictures, which isn't true. We are inherently creatures who take the path of least resistance. If your child has the ability to use the words to say cookie, they're going to say cookie. They're not going to navigate through several pages in order to get to that word. However, this device is being recommended because your child is having a hard time. Either one, being understood when they talk if they have difficulty making speech sounds, or two, they're having a hard time using their words on demand to communicate with you. They may be able to label a bunch of pictures, or sometimes they might randomly use a word, but they don't use it all the time or consistently. This gives us a wonderful way to model language use. All of the input, the visual input, the auditory input, and the repetition are the ways that your child is going to learn to use this device to communicate or to use their words. Very often, words are the way kids go. So one of the things you're going to want to do is model, model, model. My suggestion for this is looking at an activity that you might normally do with a child and then think of some keywords you can model. Keywords is the thing here. You don't have to model the entire sentence and you don't want to lose your child's attention. So say it was snowing outside and you wanted to take them to look at the snow, or you had to go out in the snow. You might come and say, look.
Look.
Point outside. Look.
Look.
Look outside. Then you might go to weather and you might say, snowy.
Snowy.
Snowy outside.
Snowy.
You might give them a chance to touch it. If you go outside, you might even add on
cold.
Cold. But you're not making the entire sentence. You don't have to go, it's snowing outside. I see snow. You can use those words, definitely. Your words, your language, model, expand with your words. Model key things on the device. Say you were making cookies. You might want to show a different word, like an action.
I want.
We're going to go a weird way to get to this.
To cook.
We can do to cook. You might want to say something about cooking. Now, I should have thought of this one here ahead of time. Let's see. Blend it.
Blend.
You might want to model blend. I don't actually get under cooking very often in the classroom, believe it or not. We only use play foods, so. The idea is pick a few keywords before you do an activity and then model them through the activity.